Today I am going to be bringing you a world-class pasta which I have dubbed the Green Pasta. It's not very creative a name, I know, but that gets its name because of all the gorgeous green veggies in it. So it is a vegan recipe, but it packs a punch with flavour. And a special thank you actually to my sister who gave me this recipe years ago, and I have loved it ever since and been making it regularly. So thanks, Janine. And we are going to be making that, but before I do, now's your opportunity to hit the subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss any of our future recipes, and hit the like to let us know you love us. Let's get started. Today I am going to be using a brand of pasta called Keep It Cleaner. It's a green pea pasta and it literally has one ingredient. Guess what that is? Green pea flour. That's it. How much cleaner can you get? Wowee. And it tastes delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that into my boiling water. And I'm going to put the whole lot in because I want to make a meal for 4. Let that come to boil. While that's doing its own thing, let's get started on the sauce. I have my pan on and going to throw my olive oil in. I love olive oil for pastas. You could use avocado, but you know. First thing, our fresh, beautiful garlic that we've minced earlier. Throw some of that in. Now you just put as much garlic as you like, or as little as you like, or even omit it if you react to garlic, that's fine. I like it quite garlicky. Just gives it extra body. Got some spring onions in keeping with all things green. Just roughly sliced they were. And we just want to soften them. I'm not looking for browning here. You want to keep that lovely green colour. Now, next thing, now I'm going to be adding them in order of what takes longest to cook, logically. So my broccoli is going to go in next, along with my green French beans. Again, which we've chopped into nice little bite-sized pieces. Yum, it's already smelling exquisite. I am going to put my asparagus in now, along with my spinach. Now I'm going to let the steam do most of the work with this spinach. When I see it starting to wilt from the steam, then I can start stirring it rather than working against it. Okay, that's looking good. I'm going to start tossing that. And I've got a second wooden spoon to help me with that. Just makes it easier. Does feel like it's getting a little dry now, so I'm going to add some extra oil in. And let's check on our pasta as well. I love that this is such a quick meal. When you have all your veggies chopped up, the meal takes as long as the pasta to cook, which is great for a quick night dinner. That's still got a bit to go. Let's toss these. Oh, it's looking great. I have some green split olives. I'm just going to throw those in. And just a little bit of capers. I don't want too much. It's just because they can get very strong. Looking good, smelling magnificent. Next, I have some sugar snap peas. If you don't have these, you could use snow peas as well. And they do not take long at all to cook through. You don't want them fully mushy, you want them with just a little bit of snap in them still. Now, flavours. Some fresh basil, which I've cut up. Throw that in. I do also have some parsley, but parsley doesn't hold its flavour very easily, so I'm going to leave that for the very last thing. Basil's a little bit more robust and can kind of hold its own through the cooking process. Oh, looking magnificent. As you can see, we don't have a saucy base, so I have some green avocados which I've just cubed them up and I'm throwing them in, and what happens is as they cook, they start to get a little mushy and it creates this creaminess in the pasta. It's a perfect way to have something a little bit wetter without all the tomato or the cream like so many sauces do. The more ripe the avocado, the creamier your recipe is going to be. I'll throw in some salt and pepper here. And another splash of oil. And just that. Let's check our pasta. Ooh. And we're just looking for al dente, as with any pasta. Yep, that's done. Let's turn that off and drain it. In the pasta goes. Awesome. Look at that. Now is when I'm going to add my parsley and give that a good stir through. It's really important to taste it and adjust the seasoning. Beautiful. And one final sprig of oil. I've turned the heat off. And that is ready to eat. How amazing is that? It couldn't be simpler. You can see with the time it took to cook the pasta, veggies were cooked, throw it all together and it's ready 10 minutes later. And there you have it, guys. How easy was it to put that meal together? My delicious green pasta, adapted from my sister and shared for you guys to enjoy and make yourself. And you can see why it's called green pasta. I mean, look at all those beautiful green veggies and the avocado, and it's just yummy. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. Please hit the like and share if you have, and we love to hear from you, so leave us a comment and we will see you next time. I thought that was great. Great. Can I start? And just a little bit of, I forgot my name. So the first thing we want to do, wait for the cameraman to get out of the way.